Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is January 24th, 2014. I wanted to go over our results in our live trading room. And today was a great day for me to relearn the old mantra of three and out. Once you get three wins, you pull up shop and you stop. It still turned out to be a pretty good day, one that I cannot complain about, but it could have been a lot better. Now, our first trade was at 8:56.40, and the entry was right here, a candle close. Actually, I have this mark wrong. The entry is here, a candle close. And it's a three-line break of the 50. You can see it's surrounded in yellow. Order flow, stochastic, and momentum are with us on the trade in a falling 50, and it went 13 ticks. And we had this beautiful C candle on a rolling 50. The only time we'll take a short on a 50 that's heading up is when we have this kind of slope on the modified 15. Hard down with a 50 that's about to roll. And it gave us 25 ticks on crude. Then I had a trade on the Russell. And I did what I very rarely do. I took a pre-market trade simply because the setup was so nice. And it was right here. There's the 50 heading down. See that the candle's outlined in yellow. Order flow, stochastic, and momentum are with us on the trade. And it really gave us a lot of heat. In fact, 9 ticks of heat on a 10 target, on a 10 tick stop, and then finally lumbered down for +7. And really, it was when the market opened that the Russell just collapsed. And I had really turned my attention to natural gas and crude oil at the time. But there were terrific short entries on the Russell. We just didn't have the opportunity to trade three markets at the same time. So we had our three winners. We had 13, 7, and 25 on a Friday with a lot of chop and difficult market. And I should have stopped, but I didn't. And really, three and out is really, really important. Now, this was a perfect setup, and eventually, a perfect setup's going to fail. It's a three-line break. It's surrounded in pink, which shows that you have order flow and momentum with you, and it failed. And that's just the way it happens sometimes. And then I want to take these trades in the order that they developed. Now I had 3 wins and a loss. I then really went out on a limb, got aggressive. So I was angry and unhappy with myself for not taking the 3 and out. And I took the C candle. And this 50 is not rolling. And this 15 is not heading down hard. And now I had 3 winners and 2 losers from 3 winners and no losers. Not a happy camper. Very, very poor money management. So I waited for another trade. Had a beautiful retracement here. Right into the modified 15. Then a great move up on natural gas for 30 ticks. So with 4 wins and 2 losses today, I kind of limped out across the finish line. Now there were great trades that occurred later in the afternoon after we closed the room. This is one of them. A bounce off the 50, tremendous profit. This C candle, another tremendous entry. But even after giving back those two losers, I did get that 30 tick winner on natural gas. So for the day, we had 6 trades. We had 4 winners, plus 30, plus 25, plus 13. The Russell, plus 7. I had 2 losers, one in natural gas and one in crude. Net plus 55 ticks. On 3 contracts, you made $230 today. On 5, you made $660 for the day. And remember, it's for educational purposes. In our training room, with live trades, no retrospective analysis, no, oh, you should have taken this, and this was a great entry. So far for the month, for the week. This week we made $1,370 on 3 contracts. On 5 contracts, we made $2,700, $2,700. That's only in 4 sessions. And this was a week where we had to deal with a blizzard, with Martin Luther King Day, and the market closed on Monday. Blizzard in New York on Tuesday. Very, difficult and choppy market on Tuesday and Wednesday. $2,700 this week on 5, $1,370 on 3. And this would have been pushed higher if I would have taken the 3 and out. We wouldn't have had 230 and 660. It probably would have been another $300 on each contract, but I didn't show prudent money management, and it cost me. The awesome natural gas setup for plus 30 erased one of the losers, but it didn't erase them both. So that's how we did today. We did have a wonderful week, and we're having a fabulous month. We invite everybody in for a free trial into the trading room. You can go to info at rightlinetrading.com or call us at 1-855-765-6681. Our website is at www.rightlinetrading.com. Hope everybody has a really, really great weekend.